Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to discuss the Kavanaugh hearings and the accusation by Ford, Mrs. Ford. I forget her first name, but I know the real question is, did Kavanaugh rape Ford, or did he attempt to rape her? And a lot of people have formed opinions. Um, for me, there's no way to know unless you're Kavanaugh, unless you're Ford, or unless you know either one of those people really well. Then I could understand those people forming an opinion. But it seems that now it's a lot of politics that's going on. People that are Republicans want to believe Kavanaugh's innocent, and a lot of Democrats want to believe he's guilty. But I think that we can learn more if she testifies. I know there's a lot of people that say or believe if they can see the testimony of somebody, they can know if they're telling the truth or not. I believe that, my gut instinct can usually be right, that I can know if someone's telling us the truth, but not always. And in this instance, I wouldn't go by probabilities. For example, if I was a senator and my instinct said he did it or probably did it, I don't think I would vote against him on that alone, because instinct is wrong. To me, it's like being a senator right now. It's like being on a jury, and you're going to be presented with testimony or evidence, and then you have to make a decision based on that. And saying that Kavanaugh is guilty of rape or attempted rape, which is a very serious crime. I wouldn't do that unless there was more evidence than just testimony. Now, does that mean that I believe he's innocent? No. It just means I don't believe the evidence is there that we can say he's guilty. And I believe we need to say he's guilty if we're to vote no, if we're a senator and we're to vote no. But it only takes, I really don't think it'll be that hard to get him voted down if she tells her story and if she's credible. And the reason I say that is it only takes 1% of the senators whose mind you need to change, maybe 2. So you only really need to change the mind of 1 or 2 senators. And I'm not sure you even need to change their mind. You just need to get them to question whether Kavanaugh did this or not. And I don't know what bar they're going to use to vote up or down on Kavanaugh. Maybe that there's a senator or 2 that are just going to go by what they believe happened after they hear both testimony, and they're just going to vote that way, and that's their prerogative. I wouldn't do that, but as a senator, I think they can pretty much vote how they want, no matter what type of testimony they hear. But anyway, I do think it's a really good thing that she's testifying, and I do think we can learn a lot. I do think victims of rape or attempted rape if they hear her testimony, I do think they have a much greater ability to know if it happened or not. But just for everyday Americans, I think it's a little more difficult. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.